di ba, I studied in England for a few years. The story is that while I was in England, I got into a fight. Oh, when was the first time you heard this story po? 30 years, di ba? Mga 30 years na to, oh. Anyway, the story is that while I was in England, I went into a pub. And as happens in pubs, I got into a fight. In that fight, yung nakaaway ko, sinaksak ako, patay ako. I'm dead. Bongbong is dead. So, this is where it gets interesting. My parents then decided to find another boy who looked like me, who was the same age as me, and present that as me, or their son, to the public. And that the person you see now is the replacement, not the original. That's the story.
You sound like your dad, though.
Huh?
You sound like your dad. Everybody says online.
Well, I do sound like my
You
dad.
sound like your dad, mannerisms, pati ubo na.
But wala kang magagawa. I have many of the same genes. No, in any case, speaking of genes, the suggestion was immediately raised. Oh, may DNA na ngayon. Magpa-test ka para maliwanag na maliwanag. Sabi ko, niisip ko na mabuti, sabi ko, hindi, okay din maging urban legend eh. Di ba? Pagka naayos ko na yung problema, pagka na-prove ko na wala na yung urban legend, wala na tayong pag-uusapan. Sabi ko, so let the story go. And it's funny though, because when I go to schools and I open the floor, this subject comes up. Are you the real Bongo? And I have
Who asked the question, though?
kids.
They
Yeah, they know the story.
Because I thought you were the only ones from here.
No, lots. It comes up everywhere. And there's nothing you can do to even siguro magpa-DNA ako na i-prove it. Iba na yan, whatever. Minuto na lang yung result.
Live natin, live stream.
Huh? I don't know. I'm in two minds about whether the DNA thing is a good idea. DNA testing is a good idea. But that is a story that has gone on and on and on and on, and no matter. And the way I explain is that it's really very easy to dig up old newspapers. When my father first became president, I was 7 years old. So look at my pictures from the time I was 7 years old to the time I was 8, 9, until the time we left for the United States, until 86. That's 20 years worth of pictures. And then compare them to me now. And I think naman, you cannot fake that much, you know. And the other question that always bugs me is that, why would my parents do such a thing? Think about it. Ay, naku, namatay yung anak natin. Hanap tayo nung kamukha niya, tapos wag natin papaalam kahit na kanino na namatay. Ihaharap natin. Why would they do that? What possible motivation would have my parents had? At most, they say, we'll make another boy, we'll have another son. But not find one that is exactly the same, that's of the same age, nakamukha. Kawawa naman ako na siguro na plastic surgery pa ako para maging kamukha. I mean, you know, it's just such a ridiculous notion. But I guess it's such a fun story that people don't want to give it up. And now that DNA is available, it looks like even I don't want to give it up.
You've lived 30 years with this.
No, I'm enjoying it too much already.